Right then, back on the Z4 today. Right, big lad. What we're going to do? Move the car. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
We need ramps as well. Have you got ramps?
Yes, I've got the wooden ones. And Maxwell's under there.
Oh yeah, right.
The most important thing.
Roof down.
Even if it's not going anywhere.
Yeah.
Makes the job faster.
It does.
What do you think?
Yeah, about there. What do you think, Max? Got the exhaust brackets loose. We're going to try and cut this bad boy about here.
That'll take weeks, won't it?
It feels like it's getting softer and softer.
Would you push that down?
Down?
Yeah. And I'll try and clamp this. But that would not
Work.
see what? Put it on upside down. Get that.
That's it. Oh, off.
So, what I thought, rather than, I mean, this is the underside, rather than chopping the top and butchering inside, why not make a section to go from there to there, you know, to replicate it, to go there, plus bypassing this box altogether.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because by the time you cut this off, cut the top off, cut the pipes, all the gubbins out from inside, then make sections to go inside, you think it would be easy just to do two pieces, which is why I took the tailpipes off.
Nice. Alright. So you may be able to utilise some of that.
Yeah. Looks quite a straight path. I mean, obviously it's got to come up and round.
Yeah.
We'll tap those pipes back to being...
God, there's loads of room in here, people.
Family of refugees. So. Right, so that wants to be about there. I can tap those round.
Yeah.
And as that comes round, I'm sure I can make some kind of bracket.
Yeah. Yeah, let's start. Let's see what happens. Probably want to move the dogs.
Yeah.
Come on, Trevor.
We'll get Brody off Trevor.
Yeah, we'll get Trevor. You coming over here?
Off Trevor.
Yeah, we'll get Trevor. You coming over here?
Okay. I mean, obviously we'll grind this off and whatnot, but if that was slotted just a little bit, the size is so close to that, I think it would probably slide over.
Let's have a look at it on. See what it looks like. Oh yeah.
It's not far off, is it?
Not, is it?
I mean, it's trying. I mean, it's nowhere near the right angle, but we haven't. We can open it up more, can't we?
Yeah.
Or we could even use it for.
That's roughly will work for either.
Yeah.
We just want to make sure we can get this one to work.
Okay.
for the other side. Where can the core wants to go? So that would work if we got that, maybe that round piece on here. Got that. We'd have to weld it or something, but
I mean, we can slot that and put that there.
because we've already got that kink, and it's not
Yeah,
too much
I
to
mean,
go.
maybe if we cut that crap off there. So be beautiful when it's done. And when it eventually blows, I'll have to make one in stainless and then market them, which is like the natural thing to do. Continue.
Yeah.
So it goes on there.
Yeah.
I mean, there's if that was tapped round a bit and we took the edges off that would probably tap on quite well, to be honest. And then we can point it where we want it to go.
Right. Probably says looks like Trevor likes them too. I don't think that's what the message I was getting.
No. Go on, Trev. You go in. All right.
On one side.
Yeah.
Can we get on?
Okay then.
Here it goes.
Ready?
Yeah.
On there.
Still.
Okay.
There's the hole.
Stand there. I'll go a couple of tacks. Ready? Okay. I'll roll it round for a couple of. Going further, but you find the welds aren't as nice with the point is.
Right.
Well, I say not as nice. It's just because this machine doesn't have the most power, you know.
It's only a 90, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, we used to have, what was it, 150 or something, wasn't it?
Yeah. And it had a fan on it to keep it cool. Whereas this sort of struggles to weld anything more than,
Paper.
I'd say 4 or 5 mil. I mean, I welded that ball on top of that post. And that
This one?
Yeah. Well, that ball's actually hollow. It's not a solid one.
Yeah.
Right, let's see if this works any better. You ready?
Yeah.
Tell you what, you can turn the gas on as well. Oh yes, that's. Oh, sorry, Mr. Max.
Clamps. What do you want? You want a 13 socket?
Yeah, longer screw, I think.
Longer screw. Right. Bits of metal flying up.
I bet you it's not as loud as that feed thing up front.
Is that knob off?
Yeah.